Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the zoom in galaxy text animation in CapCut Mobile. So first, just prepare a background like this and then just write your text. Here you can choose your favorite font. Okay. And after this, add two keyframes on the text, one at the beginning. Okay, the other one at the end. Okay, in here and zoom in on the second keyframe like this, so it will have that zoom in effect. Now export this video and then you can just open it in a new project. Let's open it in a new project. Okay, add the galaxy overlay, the photo of the galaxy as the overlay like this. Okay, adjust the position and the duration. So here, position it like this at the start of the sentence. Now add a keyframe at the start and then go to the end of the overlay here and then move the text, the overlay like this. Okay, now click on the overlay, go to blend and then choose darken. Click on the check icon. So this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.